Even though a squat is just a sagittal plane up and down exercise, this is what's happening to your pelvis at the top of the squat. This should be what's happening to your pelvis in the mid-range, and then it's going into this position again.
If you have a tight low back and you've tried things like rolling it and stretching it out and haven't gotten the results you're looking for, this is a common reason why. What almost no one is considering is their body's center of gravity over their foot and how that's affecting which muscles feel tight or not. For example, if my pelvic